Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, you should unplug the power cord before beginning. To replace the defrost control board in your refrigerator, first remove the screws securing the control panel. Pull the control panel forward to release. You can detach the grounding wire and the crisper light wire connector for better access. If you do this, remove the screw to release the damper control arm to prevent it from breaking. Now remove the screws securing the defrost control board. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect them to release the old board. Install the new defrost control board by first connecting the wires to the appropriate terminals. Position the board in the control panel and secure it with the screws. Align the slot in the damper control arm with the freezer control cam. Then replace the screw to secure the arm. Reconnect the crisper light wire connector and reattach the grounding wire to the heat shield. Align the control panel on the mounting tabs and push it into place. Replace the screws to secure. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and confirm that the refrigerator is functioning properly.